Hi, I'm Michael Skay, and I'm a broker associate with Ward White Sotheby's International Realty in Spring Lake, New Jersey. And today, I'm coming to you from 212 Crescent Parkway, a magnificent Georgian Colonial built in 1910. This is going to be an amazing opportunity for someone. The home is set on the most unique street, in my opinion, at the entire Jersey Shore. It's called Crescent Parkway, and it's reminiscent of a Parisian boulevard. .212 Crescent Parkway is an amazingly unique home, and the kind of home that makes Sea Girt, New Jersey, a special town. Let's take a look. There are a number of great entertaining areas in the home, and it all starts here, right on the front porch. It's a wraparound, and it's very deep. You could probably entertain 20 to 30 people here for dinner. There's also an outdoor patio with a gas fireplace, and there's a lot more inside. Let's take a look. There are some amazing architectural elements in the home, and my favorite part of it is where I'm standing right now. I'm up in the loft, and I'm overlooking the great room. You can see the gorgeous chandelier, these amazing windows. This is going to be an opportunity for some family to return this home to its original glory. If you'd like to have a tour, please contact me. I can be reached at 732-272-5898. Thank you.